All right, what's happening, people? How y'all doing today? Uh, Today we got a credit union on the chopping board. We about to go check out America First Credit Union. I hope y'all having a blessed and prosperous year so far in this 2023, and I hope it only gonna get better. As y'all learn, you know it's only gonna get better. You know, more knowledge, more money. You gotta look at it that way. Here we go. Boom. I typically it's like this. For this bank here, I don't like their personal products as much, but their business products, I give it a chance. That's just me saying it off top. But let's go check it out. They offer charitable foundation, scholarships. You know, if you need a scholarship, holler at them, I guess. It's just a little quick look at the front page. Sorry, I had a little itch in my ear. Um, Okay, we have some announcements. This month, the credit union opened a new branch in Utah, I think. Spanish Fork, Utah. Hmm. So congrats to y'all over there. Spanish Fork. That sounds like a big populated area. But hey, or a vast populated area, need I say. But it is what it is. Okay. They said they're giving away 10 scholarships. That's per state, per school, or just 10 altogether. Only $50,000. Y'all being kind of tight. Y'all are at the bank, you know. Don't you know? 3% back bonus on balance transfers. I guess that's if you do get a car for them. But let's go ahead and get into it. This is why I rank them low. First thing I do, I go to the auto loans. This is the first place I go to when I go to the bank. Check the auto loans out. Um, Getting your dream car today. This is something that caught me by the eye. Terms, eligibility, and conditions apply to qualify. Apply to apply. To qualify, vehicles must be 2016 model or newer, and member must be must have a credit score greater than or equal to 760. You heard them. They didn't say 660. But their auto loan, they want your credit score to be greater or equal to 760. Like they just X'd out like most of America. So um that's why I say this bank, I don't know how well they do. Maybe as you get like a relationship with them, they'll lower that number a little bit, hopefully. Uh yeah, hopefully that's just like someone straight off the street. I don't know you. You don't even got a checking account. It's a 760. But I'm hopefully, because if not, yeah, I don't see them giving out many car loans. Uh, yeah. And I was looking for a good shared secured loan, you know, to see how it does. They don't give much on it. So I would just give them a call. I would call them personally. I'll call them, and because they say they got one that they help you build your credit. I would call them. Instant approval meaning it's not a hard pull, but I will call them and ask them, do they give the funds back as you pay? And if so, then that's when you can run the play. Next, we always go to the credit cards. So they got a Visa Signature, a Visa Platinum, and a Visa Classic. Then they got the secured Visa, Silicone Slopes Visa. I did not pay attention to that one. We're proud to introduce the Silicon Slopes Visa credit card, a groundbreaking way to empower entrepreneurs. I guess that's you guys. Every time it's used, it sounds like a debit. Well, no. All right, let me keep reading. Every time it's used, you'll be supporting startup tech companies and their beneficial innovations. So, don't know. Uh, I guess it's a stop. Silicon Slopes. It might be a stop type of car. But we'll see. You earn 1% cash back with each purchase. Plus American First will contribute an additional 0.5% to the Silicon Slope Startup Alliance Fund. And I guess that's where they help the startups at. I don't know if you can go to the Silicon Slope Startup Alliance Fund, which is a weird name, but anyway, it sounds like something for tech. Yeah, it's a tech community because Silicon Valley. I was just trying to think like, okay, well, where they going with this? Which provides funding to the local tech company. With each tap, dip, swipe, we also donate 100% of the $50 annual fee. So they got a $50 annual fee. Uh, that same fund, expanding opportunities for business from Logan to St. George, and I guess those are towns or cities or whatever. Uh, in Silicon Valley area, from Logan to St. George. So, well, I don't know. That card, I don't see nothing special about it. They give money to the certain startups that aren't even available to you. So I don't. I mean, if you wanna just give to some Silicon Slope startups every time you swipe, dip, and tap, mhm. I don't know what the dip mean, but I guess that's when you put your card in the machine. They call it a dip. Uh, that's my first time hearing that, a dip. I never heard of it. But let me get back to the other visas. And the visa signature to platinum. So I think all platinums they start have a good start off limit, a certain percentage. I mean a certain hold on, I'm gonna let you see. Their minimum is a little higher than the rest of them. I'm trying to say. So these are all the different cards they offer and the details that come with them. I guess the rewards or the upsides of the cards. Uh, all the APR is pretty high. To be honest with you, I guess some people could say that's regular, but all right. So we go off of the cards. We're going to the business. We're gonna do the same thing. We start at the vehicles. So it's a good thing that they offer vehicle loans. Some banks really don't specify vehicle loans for business. They just throw it underneath the equipment category. I mean, it's cool, but I mean, non-profit organization associations and restricted accounts are ineligible. So, all non-profits, you cannot get a vehicle through this bank with your non-profit. Uh, Fees may apply if loan exceeds $50,000. The vehicle must be titled in your business, in the name of your business, and used for business purposes. I always be adding a little more sauce. Used for business purposes only. That's what I'm gonna put. But okay, that's understood. Don't go higher than $50, y'all, or y'all will be taxed on this money from this bank. This bank got so many different weird rules. For real, man. You go over 50,000, you gotta pay taxes on the money before they even get it to you. It's like it's weird. Hey, America first, y'all. Y'all, hey, it's at your own risk. But we is breaking the bank down. So business, what good do you guys have? That'll make me be like, okay, let's bank with them. I want my debt to be with you. Yeah, man. Yeah, I gotta compete for my debt, man. What do you have to say like, okay, you need my debt rather than anybody else? How you trying to help me? That's what you look at. Like, how is this bank trying to help me? Like, oh, y'all, we got to change our mindsets. We going to banks like, oh, they let me in. Oh, I feel grateful. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Bank. Nah, how can y'all help me? Like, I gotta pay y'all. What can you do for me? There's plenty of banks out here, and a lot of them got way better products than you got. How can you help me? And a lot of the banks, they just like the big fish. If you ain't a big whale in the water, then they don't worry about you. So you gotta go to a bank, that fits your needs. It's not bad to shop for banks. What's wrong with shopping for a bank or two? You know. So I try to look at the business line of credit. They don't say much about it at all. They don't even tell you the highest limit they go as far as the credit line. Uh, so I don't know. To each his own, I don't know. So with this one, I don't know. Gold coin financial grade for America's first. I will give uh I don't want to give them a bad grade just because they're for more of a higher credit score. Um, they like the highest credit score clientele, but just for that, I should dock them a little bit. They probably is gonna get docked, man. Y'all can't just cut half the country off. That's not cool. Um, I don't know, man. Y'all get like a D. Y'all get like a D into proving otherwise. I've heard some good stuff from y'all, but I mean, I like the fact that y'all have business products, business line of credit. Y'all have the whole works. It's just y'all presentation of it. I do not agree about. Maybe just like a deterrent for people to just, cause they got the fraud thing right there. So I mean, maybe that's why they got more strict that they've been going through so much fraud. Um, I don't know. I give them a C. Fuck it. They get a gold coin financial C into proving otherwise. I don't want to give them a D because then I would just have to bump them to a C. So that's if they proving good. If we get good comments like, oh, they gave me $20,000 credit card, a line of credit or whatever. So I don't really know the data points too much, like how much they offer, the limit of their credit cards. I mean, I could Google it, but Let's see. And the good thing about them, I would say, is that from what I understand, and from what I read so far, they don't issue out their credit cards to a third party or their loans, so that's a good thing. Okay, well they said a classic card come up with a spending limit of up to 5,000, which is not the best. I'm pretty sure they might go. It might go up, and that might be. I don't know. I might have read it wrong. I might have said minimum. Let me see. Okay, that's not the credit limit. That's the spending limit. It might be. They might do have good credit cards. I'm gonna give them a C still until you all prove otherwise. On the personal side, it said the line of credit go up to $15,000. It's not too bad for a personal side. It's not too bad. It's not too shabby. I don't know. They trying to resurrect themselves. They trying. But only thing I can say is, like I was about to say, they platinum card has a minimum limit of $6,000. I know I saw that somewhere. It said for the business Visa credit card information, please. Uh, um, yeah. But I mean, if I go to the business Visa, it ain't nothing. Didn't give us too much, does it? As far as limits and whatnot. So they have three different business cards available. Uh, like I said, I think they do issue their own cards. I went through all of the terms and everything. How would they know? It say up to $25,000 in annual fuel purchases. Um, what is? I don't understand that. Hmm. That must be like straight at the gas pump. You gotta do that. I don't know how would they know. Like every time, just all gas station purchases, but go underneath that category. So I gotta be straight at the gas pump. You earn 1 point for every dollar you spend over here. Points can be redeemed for travel. 2% cash back. 1.5% cash back on every other purchase. they monitor you so hard with this car. What every other purchase? Dang. Then they got 1% cash back on all purchases. So I don't know. It's cool. It's alright. It's alright. They got 3 business cards, so that I don't know. They might give them a C plus. But I ain't. Yeah, I ain't up there. Up there. They get a C. He's still a C, even though y'all got 3 different business cards. I'm not even gonna lie. Most banks don't have 3 different business cards. They just don't. Uh, that's why I probably give them like a C plus just for that. Just for that. So if you get like if you have like a 720, 740, start a relationship with this bank, uh, just like everybody say, I just make deposits. If you can do direct deposit, uh, put money in a savings account, and if you also you can get a secure savings loan with them. That's how you start a good relationship. Like I said, I will ask if your money comes back as you pay the loan off, and then if it does, you can run that secured loan play on them. But this is America's first credit union. I'm out, man. I give them a C plus overall. Overall, a C plus. I think they do check systems. I don't know if they do a hard pull or not on any credit profile for app for approval. Let me check. I do want to let y'all know that before. Uh, I let y'all go because that's important. I don't like when credit unions surprise me with the hard pull. Mm, I'm looking, man. Sorry, I was looking at something whole totally different. I think that was about the membership. Okay. It does seem like they do a hard pull for memberships. They are located in Nevada, it seems, in like the Nevada, California area. Uh, all right, that's another thing to check real quick. I don't know if you could join through the through like a foundation or something. So you will go to accounts, classic checking, obviously, or either you will just hit apply now. One of those. Um, I'm trying to see uh if they tell me like the member qualifications, the requirements. You see, so they do have they are geo restricted. So yeah. So this just for people in Nevada. So everybody in Nevada, America first. Um, to be honest with you, since I took out my time to do this, and nobody really can get a membership. It's a bank uh for the areas of Utah, Nevada, Arizona, Indiana, Oregon, and New Mexico. That's the areas that this bank service. Um, yeah, it's 14 qualified cities in Southern California, which I'm not gonna name all the cities, but yeah, this is a local bank. You will know if you've seen this bank around or not. If not, possibly not. You probably won't get accepted. It's all right, bank. Like I said, I give them a C plus. I just like the fact that they have all their cars coming through their credit union. Um yeah. Kudos to you all over there in California with this bank. Till next time, you guys. I'm out. And I had someone ask me about this bank, so that's why I did it. I'm not in California, but yeah, this this bank get a C plus, and that's about it. Can't give them too much higher than that, man. And till next time, I'm out.